Narrated Abu Musa, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with him. Some people asked Allah's apostle, may peace and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on him, whose Islam is the best? i.e., who is a very good Muslim? He replied, one who avoids harming the Muslims with his tongue and hands. Sahih Bukhari, Volume 1, Book 2, Number 10. Narrated Anas, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with him. The Prophet, may peace, blessings, and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on him, said, whoever possesses the following three qualities will have the sweetness or delight of faith. 1. The one to whom Allah and His Apostle becomes dearer than anything else. 2. Who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3. Who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire. Sahih Bukhari, Volume 1, Book 2, Number 15.